Hello, why should you really own your installation while you can really own this product? Discovery is wonder of technology. This amazing product can help you to take the lead off of the underground, caves, tunnels, and other similar areas. Discovery offers convenience with its cordless and practical use. Get ready to detect everything, such as metallic substances, metals, hidden rooms, underground objects, and with this amazing product. This next generation Groundtech Canon detector offers 3D analysis to users. Everything will be much easier with this product. Discovery, which is portable and has a compact design, offers two different models, SM and SMR. Both models have a similar feature. However, the SMR model offers building resistivity system feature, which is based on geoelectric method. It will be easier for you to detect groundwater, gaps, and large structures with this feature. You can view one-dimensional graphical and numerical results quickly with the live scan and dynamic graphics functions. However, performance has much better analysis. Pinpointing possible with the pinpoint function. Isn't it great? Discovery has 5 scanning functions in default. SMR model has 7 scanning functions together with resistivity mode. Things are not this much easy in other 3D ground scanning detectors. You need an additional display unit such as tablets or computers to view scan results or data analysis. However, Discovery is full team by itself. The product offers all scan results and analysis in the 3D formats. It's built-in screen without need an additional device. Embedded system technology and GTOS software developed by Groundtech offers you all new dimension. It's possible for you to view the collected data graphically in the 3D format in the built-in display as soon as scanning completed. Save time, get rid of the burden of carrying extra devices with you. Discovery is with you, with everything you need. You can view the data you collect from different angles on the 3D display screen. You can move, zoom in, zoom out the graphics and examine them in detail. You will be complete control. You can view graphical results of data with numerical results in the details page. Well, what does it mean? You can segregate metals and minerals with numerical data, distinguish superficial differences or real objects. You will be amazed at how quick you perform your operations. Your scans are more detailed and perfect with deep mode. Discovery has the UMD2 precision sensor system. Get ready to obtain amazing results with the combination of the sensor and a fast processor. You will be able to reach deep beyond the reach of classic metal detectors with precision scanning sensor. You can get scan results up to 25 meters deep depending on soil structure and equipment. Store and save thousands of scans with the large storage space of Discovery. Enjoy easy and practical use with 10 different language options. Discovery has ground lighting feature for the night scans. Enjoy your Discovery with many features such as initial setup, customize many them and favorite list. You can create with your scans. Discovery is with you everywhere. With is your superior battery capacity. The device offers 6 hours continuous use. You can charge it at home, in your vehicle or portable charger. This, you don't have to interpret your scanning efforts. Discovery is ready to help you to discover new things in 2-year service warranty. Well, are you ready to discover?